Hello, and welcome to the FlashSystem official YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through an essential feature for managing your server effectively. Setting up log commands. Step 1. Using the user command setLogChannel, you can easily designate a specific channel where all server activities will be logged. This is incredibly useful for keeping track of important events and maintaining organization within your server. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that nothing goes unnoticed in your server, allowing for better moderation and smoother operation overall. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.